chain 36, join with slip stitch into the last chain from the hook. Round 1, chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, skip 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 double treble into the next chain, yarn over 3 times. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 double treble into the next chain. Repeat, chain 5, skip 5, 1 double treble into the next chain. Skip 5, slip stitch into the 5th chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Round 2, chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1 double treble into the next double treble stitch. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 double treble into the next double treble. Repeat. Slip stitch into the 5th chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next rounds, repeat round 2.